recognizing when it's right and not right for demolition companies to grow and scale. Scaling a demolition company is important, but you got to be very careful about doing it when it's not the right time to do it. So let's go touch on that. Number one, market saturation. So to be honest, in certain regions and markets, it's just not ideal to try to get big, big, big. What I mean is when I talk to people who are in random parts of Texas as an example, and they're concerned about, well, we don't get much action here, and maybe we're tearing down a house occasionally, maybe we're doing a commercial project occasionally, and they're nowhere near major markets, or they don't want to be in major markets. They only want to be within a 50-mile radius of their small little podunk town. That makes it really tough, guys, and they might have competitors in that small podunk town as well, or the big guys also service that small podunk town. It is very, very difficult. You've got to be careful about scaling if that's your situation. Next is going to be market conditions that are volatile. If you guys are going through very difficult times personally, in the business, financially, if the market itself in your area or in the economy of the country that you're in, like the US, it can be very challenging. Sometimes certain political things, sometimes wars going on, all these various different things, you guys have to be very, very cautious if you're looking to scale your demolition company. You have to kind of review those things and make sure that you're not getting yourself into a crazy storm rather than doing it in a safe, smart way. Number three, operational challenges. I commend everyone for wanting to grow and scale. I am all for that. If you have a good thing and you want to help give more of that good thing out to the world, out to your market, etc., I am all for that. But we got to call it for what it is. If you don't have high quality equipment, if you don't have enough equipment, if you don't have good team members, if your back end isn't able to keep up with your front end or vice versa, you have to really be careful about wanting to scale in those times. Number four, financial limitations. So if you guys want to scale your business, you have to have the ability to fund the scaling. There are expensive things like team members, equipment, maintenance, being able to perhaps secure real estate where you can hold that equipment or maintain that equipment. You have to look at your debt. You have to look at the capital market with interest rates and APRs and things of that nature. You have to be realistic about how your money is internally and how the money is external of you, so that way you can scale safely, not scale foolishly. Number five, lack of differentiation. So in your market, you guys may be just one of another. You may not have a ton of things that are super unique or special at your company. And I hate to say that because I'm sure you guys are all unique and special. And I love that. That's what's cool about demolition is there's so many companies out here. But if you're competing with 20 other people every single bid, it may not be ideal to scale with that model. You maybe make a tweak and become just the commercial specialist, or just the house tear down, or just the pool fill in, that kind of thing. I don't totally recommend entirely dedicating your business to one particular niche, but I could see being a specialist or highlighting a particular arena, so that way you guys can be more competitive against your quote unquote competition. So those are some of the ideas that you guys really need to consider when you're debating scaling. I am all for, again, I will co-sign scaling. I will co-sign entrepreneurship, being able to employ more people, have more equipment, do more great work, service more great clients. However, I just want you guys to realize some of these factors when you're debating or considering, should I go bigger? Should I stay as I am? Should I maybe process some things prior to just saying, let's go, let's go, let's grow?